Instead of spending 4 months getting ready for an audit, we can have that data in days. When we originally came in, our institution had no real way to manage software asset management. So we've been really able to maximize the spend and our savings for what we can do, and we can see what we need to do. So it's been savings in the tens to hundreds of $millions over the last 8 years. The reason we continue to stay with USU is, one, the app is very good. The second reason is the people. The relationships we've built with the people, the feedback we get, the turnaround for when we have questions, and the participation from USU in helping us with our problems has been absolutely instrumental with the success we've been able to achieve.
USU was part of our RFP, and they ended up being more exceptional than all of our other candidates in terms of the services, the tool that was being brought in, and just the help and the engagement in the whole process. Some of the outcomes that we saw by implementing the USU tool was cost savings, cost avoidance, more automation. Previously, we were very manual, so we can do a lot more while still continuing to use the same amount of resources that we have.
USU, particularly the SaaS optimization, is a toolbox. And we can just use those tools in a variety of different ways to meet our business needs, to help us assess and then later on recover licenses that aren't being used. And we've evolved that capability quite a bit. We did it initially as an assessment to see how much of our licenses were being used or how much were really not being used so we can recover those. We started with batch processes, and the latest implementation, we evolved that to a fully automated process now. So I don't even think about this process on a day-to-day basis. It just runs in the background. But really, it's a set it and forget it. My customers love it. In fact, it's kind of funny now because my customers who own these SaaS products, they start to refer to the USU tool like it's their tool. Well, we brought it to them, but I'm happy to share.